Hello and welcome to another MSAB Monday. I'm Adam Furman, Tech Analyst here at MSAB. So today we're going to look at something that we viewed previously, but as of the latest version of XAMN, there's been some enhancements to it. So let us take a look. Now, as you can see on the screen, this is a very big case with a lot of exhibits. When we go to all artifacts, you can see that there's nearly 4 million artifacts here. So, how do we reduce that number? We used to go to the known data library, which is what I've shown previously, and that still exists. And if we go to the top here, you can see an indication of what's new. So if I first off remove known data library, you can see that we started at 3.9 million artifacts, and as we wait for that filter to execute, you can see that number has now dropped to 2.3 million, a huge saving of irrelevant artifacts. Now, as of the latest version of XR1 XAMN, we now also identify system files. And you can see here, if I was to exclude system files, we're going to reduce that number even further. We've now dropped to 1.3 million. We can also exclude application files. Now, these are not user-created files. These are files that come pre-installed with the application and are not user-modified. So you can see after starting with a high number, we have now just dropped down to 1 million artifacts. Hopefully you can see the power of excluding these new filters available to you in XAMN Pro. Thank you.